welcome back to Just 2 Minutes. Today's a beautiful day in spring and we are here in DC. Let's see what DC has held for us today. We have been to DC multiple times and this visit particularly, the Kite Festivals, has made it a special visit. Washington, D.C. is not only beautiful in the ground, but also in the air, especially when we have these colorful kites to catch our eyes. Did you know that this kite festival started in 1967 and is still now a big thing today? Another big thing in Washington, D.C. are the cherry blossoms. This blossom tree here stands out from all the others. The colors of these flowers are so vibrant. Every year, more than 1.5 million people visit DC for their cherry blossoms. To enjoy the beauty of the cherry blossoms and the surroundings, we need to walk a lot. But the good thing is, there are also other options like scooters and bikes. The local DC Metro can be another option too. It is also very fun. Another fun part about this festival is taking pictures and videos. Not all journeys have destinations, and I like to call those journeys adventures, like this adventure here in DC. We had a nice visit here today in DC, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!